Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the dining area of this hotel. I'm also gonna give you a room tour of the two-bedroom specialty. Hyatt Hotel is located in a very nice area of Jersey City, although across the river is Manhattan. As you can see from the video, the area is really nice. That's one thing that attracted me to stay in this hotel. Also, they have a very good rooftop bar just by the dining area where you can see the whole of Manhattan. Now, the walk distance from the hotel, if you look right straight ahead, that's where the hotel is located. You just walk a few meters and then you'll be by the river. Also guys, don't forget to stay till the end and I'll tell you what you really need to know if you want to enjoy your stay in this hotel, or if you know anybody who's going to stay in this hotel, to let you know what they need to do to enjoy their stay in this hotel. Also, this hotel has a washer dryer at on the ground floor that you can use, but you will need a coin. There's a lot of good things to this hotel which I really like. So you guys stay tuned and I'll give you more information. Meanwhile, go ahead and watch the room tour. Okay guys, I'm gonna give you guys a room tour for a specialty room for two queen size bed. So once you come in, there's a small, like a kitchen setup. It's just like the king size. Remember, I've showed you the one bedroom king size. So it has like a kitchen area where you can cook, and it has a dishwasher, I believe, and it has a sink area with your everything you need to cook, cups. See what's in here. Okay, you have some cutlery. Oh, this thing kind of shuts. Oh, see, it shuts on its own. That's nice. And then obviously this is like the dining area where you can eat. There's a little small chair right here, and of course the mirror right there. It's kind of huge too. And then there goes your two bedroom. So this is not a suite like the last one I showed you guys was a suite. You have your okay, and now this is like the living area. Then you have a TV on this side. And a nice couch where you can just lie down. And also, this one also has a sofa bed. So if you need somebody who wants to sleep on that, they can sleep on that one. And here's the view from outside, which is kind of cool. So that's the New Jersey Pathway. It's the train station. We actually took this train from here to Manhattan. And if you see all on that side is Manhattan right there, if you can see. This is on the 8th floor. This is not really a residential area like a lot of office building, you know, around here. So next thing I'm gonna show you guys is the, let me see what's on TV. I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom.
Titles didn't define.
I didn't let him tell me I was too old.
So I've shown you guys the bed, and these pillows are really, really soft. Really, really soft. This is the second bed. It's kind of spacious, right? Look at all this space. So on the other side is like the living room area, and there's just a huge space right here. The dining area. Oh yeah, I think there's fridge right here. The fridge is kind of hidden. At first I didn't even notice there was a fridge right there. Let's see. Still kind of cold. Of course there's nothing inside. You have to put your own stuff. Because some people actually do cook when they come here and use this. But I won't be doing any cooking, obviously. I'm going to be going outside to eat. Go test what New York has to offer. Okay. So it looks like there's some kind of a regular, yeah, of course your safe, your ironing board, extra pillow if you need it, and of course, and then I guess, so you close this door, all right there, and then, see, oh here there's a mirror right here. So when you're coming, there's a mirror right here. And your towels down there, nice clean towels. And this will be down. Shampoo, body lotion, and here's this huge shower head right there. So, like a see-through. And here's the nice. So I already showed you guys 1 bedroom king, and this is 2 queen. So now, so if you're coming to Hyatt House, Jersey City, you have 2 options. You can now see what the 2-bed queen is like and what the 1-bedroom king is like, you know, so that you can make your choice. Because every time I try to go to a hotel, I always go on YouTube to see if there's any room being shown so that you can know what your room looks like before you actually get there. So I'm just doing this for lots of people who travel to have an idea what this looks like. Let me see. Oh, they just have 1 view here. Okay, which is a nice view of Manhattan. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. I guess because there's a train station right there, I guess the police house will be around. Checking. Yeah, so that train station right there takes you straight to Manhattan to what they call Oculus, which is right by World Trade Center. I just came from there just now. Alright guys, now you know what this place looks like. See anything else? Oh, as you can see, so if you're watching this now, Today is the 20 US Open Monday night, because you can see US Open. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. All right, guys, good morning. I just woke up this morning, so we're gonna go have breakfast. It's like 8:13. Breakfast closes at 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, show you what's the breakfast like, and I'm in room, you can see my room, 817, and I'm gonna take you guys upstairs, show you guys the breakfast. All right, came together. All right, so we're gonna go to the 13th floor. Alright guys, so I just finished telling the guy what I needed in the room, so he has taken the room. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the breakfast is like. Now, just in case you didn't know, breakfast at the Hyatt House is completely free, which is a very nice thing. Although, as you've seen in the video, they have a stove where you can cook, but it's always good to know you can come out here and eat. So these are the food they have here. That very morning for breakfast they had egg, so you have a wide selection of different food that you can choose from. I had some scrambled egg. Also, in case scrambled egg is not your thing, they actually have an omelette bar. I will show you that later, where you can request for the kind of omelette that you want. And they also have sausage, which tastes good. And, I was surprised. Usually when you eat at places that are free, sometimes the standard is not up there and they really don't taste good. But this sausage really tastes good, and you can see the potatoes they also are. I really did enjoy the potato. The taste was good. The egg was good. Everything in this hotel was surprisingly very good, despite the fact that the breakfast is free. Also, they also have pancakes. I think they kind of changed between, I think a day before they had French toast, which was really nice. The French toast was nice, but today they had pancake, so you get your own share of pancake, with your egg. And obviously you can see on that side they have a syrup that you can use for your pancake, and they also have this strawberry syrup kind of sauce, which really tastes good. So I tried it out, and I really kind of liked it. So I can see my pancake, egg, sausage, potato, and the syrup that I took. And also they also have their orange juice, apple juice, kale milk, almond milk, or any kind of milk, 2% milk. They have their water, everything. So there's a lot of things to really choose from. They have their fruit bar. You can see boiled egg from there if you want boiled egg. But one thing that I really like, that a lot of people like, the previous day there was a long line. Now you can see by right now it should be about 8:30 or to 9. So you don't see a lot of people now because it's getting ready to close soon. But if you come early, I think breakfast starts at 6. I'm not 100% sure, but it starts very early. Usually earlier in the day there's a lot of people, so the line is kind of long. So yeah, you can see the different types of bread they have. Make your own toast, and they have jelly. And yeah, I just honestly think that the breakfast is adequate. And yeah. And they also have several places where you can eat. So this is just one section where people can eat right here. There's another section by the rooftop bar area. You can eat on that side, and there's also a dining area there. So if this place is full, luckily we were able to find a spot here. You can go to different places and you can eat. So it's quite big. And when we went to this hotel, it was during the summer, the last week of August. That's when we went to this hotel. So yeah. And actually, I remember a lot of people were going to the rooftop bar area, and before you know it, it was completely packed. You can see the fresh fruits they have. You can have any of those things you see there. And like I mentioned in the beginning, they have this omelette bar, which I'm going to show you. Once you come here, there's a piece of paper you can pick right there and circle what kind of ingredients you want for your omelette. And once you decide exactly what you want, then you can pass the paper on to the chef, who's on that. It was very nice, and you give him and you probably wait 5 minutes or less, and they will call your name. You write your name on top of your request and give it to me and put it right there. You can see some of the omelette he's making right there, and by the time he's done, they'll call you and you pick it up. So guys, I appreciate you watching it. Now if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe and share the video and like. Now in the beginning, I was telling you about what you need to do to enjoy your stay here. Well, in order for you to enjoy your stay in this hotel, you have to choose a room that has an odd number, because all the rooms with even numbers are on the side that the train goes by and there's a lot of noise. But if you stay in the room that has the odd number, like my room 817, you are on the side that there's not a lot of noise, and you probably won't even hear any noise, and you'll be able to sleep well. So that's one thing I wanted to inform you, to let you know what you really need to know before you go into this hotel, so that you can enjoy your stay for the duration of your hotel stay. Now guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, because I have lots of video that I'm going to be putting out there, videos from Tokyo, from Bangkok, Hong Kong, and also I'm getting ready to travel to Quito, Ecuador, and I'll be bringing you lots of videos. So once you subscribe to my channel, you'll be able to see all these adventures when I upload them. Again, thank you for all of you who have subscribed to my channel, and those of you who are going to be subscribing to my channel. This really helps a lot, and I appreciate them. One last thing I wanted to share with you guys is that this hotel is actually, the dining area is on the 13th floor. You can see from here, those people who sit by the window can actually enjoy this nice view. The previous day I sat on this side and I was able to enjoy the view. So till next time guys, I would bring more videos. Take care till next time. Thank you for watching my videos.